Hi, today we're going to review Solus. I am Vanquished Angel. What Solus is a built from scratch Linux originating in Ireland. So we are going to set this up. Solus, it's not Solaris, it's just Linux, and we're going to use a generic Linux there. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Probably some it does. There we go, good enough. Create a VDI dynamically. And just for funsies, we're going to do that. And now we're going to start. Now the resolution doesn't adjust for some reason. It's on 1080p, I think. I don't know why. Right, so this is the live disk version. Connection is established. So the live disk version is pretty responsive. United States. I mean, it has a little bit of lag, but not too bad. I like that it finds your location automatically while installing. Looks like it has a left-handed option. Automatic. Bootloader. Apparently it doesn't allow capital letters. We're not one of the cool kids, apparently. Same with this one, probably. Alright, so no capital letters on that one either. Real name. But you can have capital letters on that one. Now this one, I'm not sure if there's a minimum amount or something. It doesn't say. Okay, so lowercase and then an uppercase and then 4 numbers is what I did there. Add now. Next. I guess you can have options there. You probably create another user, device host name, and install bootloader. So this is stuff we already went through. You can just go back and redo it, it looks. Okay. We can restart now. I have to hit F12 because it just automatically will boot to the disk, which is actually the ISO, so it'll just prompt me to install again. So now we're going to the installed version. That was actually decently fast. Alright. So you have to log in. I didn't see no options to automatically log in. But it was pretty clean interface. I like that. Skipping around my mouse is a little bit. Connection established. So it seems decently responsive. Let's see what we got here. Under accessories, you get calculator, files, and gedit. I prefer lightweight. options. So you got LibreOffice Draw under graphics. Firefox is the browser, and Mozilla Thunderbird is the email client. And well, you get transmission. I like transmission. LibreOffice, and then just a calendar app. Rhythmbox Music Player I'm not a fan of, but Genome MPV, that's okay. I don't mind that. I don't know what sundry means, but there it is. Maybe that means printer settings in Ireland. I don't know. Hardware drivers, I don't know if you can install. You probably can. No drivers were found in. Well, that's because I'm in a VirtualBox, possibly. So, then there's other system stuff. You can set power settings. Let's see. The displays. Let's see if I can change the resolution. And it doesn't look like I can. I can go one lower. That could be because I'm working in VirtualBox, though I haven't had problems with any of the others. This nightlight is like Redshift, I believe. And it's to help prevent eye strain and sleeplessness at night. Kind of like a lot of our tablets and stuff keep us awake. Not because we're distracted by them, but just the color of the light. Desktop session settings. Oh, this is where you can change all this stuff. Oh, fun. Funsies. Okay, so you can set that stuff up there. You can set those. Button layout, tiling. Alright, so you can set a couple settings in there. So far, this would be a good contender. It's higher up on my list. It seems pretty lightweight. Let's see if we can find some sort of benchmark something here. Utilities, maybe. System monitor. Resources. So, in roughly, well, we're not really in idle, but in this virtual machine, I'm using consistent, well, 4.9% of the processor. I'm not sure if this one processor, I have an i7, so, and then memory is pretty high up there. But I mean, it's okay, it's not too bad. Used, that's pretty light on the hard drive there. So I like that. I like sleek, slim, trim operating systems. This one could qualify for that quite easily. But, okay, so there's that. So that is definitely a kind of a plus for me. So this might be a contender for a future Linux distribution. Lets you know when security updates are available. That's your internet, volume, and probably the power button. I don't know what this is. What is this? We're going to click it. Oh, that's my calendar. Well, this is interesting. Huh. You can just kind of automatically set those right there. I like that. Why don't they all do that? Alright, so like the negative about this so far, it doesn't appear to be able to go to a higher resolution than this one. That's kind of a negative, as you can tell by the recording. My screen is bigger than that. It does seem pretty sleek. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the player. Huh. It's pretty straightforward. So I like it. Just the resolution's an issue. Oh, I didn't cover the software center. So we'll look at software, system tools, universal access utilities maybe. Is there a software center on here? It's probably right in front of my face. There it is. It's under system settings, which to me kind of doesn't make sense. So we have, Office software. That's probably like LibreOffice and that. Oh, and then it's further categorized. I kind of like the categories because I can just go to what I'm looking for and don't have to search through other stuff, although I'm a big fan of, Stellarium. I'm a big fan of Synaptic Package Manager. So we'll go back. Definitely kind of into gaming. And so role-playing games are my thing. Band. I gotta do a video on that one. Band. Alright, so that's there. So, and then we also have a search engine, I believe, somewhere. Right there. So, let's see. So those are emulators. There we go. And we're going to look for play on Linux because that's important to me. And there it is. All right. So that's kind of covering a little bit of the Software Center. I like how it's categorized, so that's a big plus for me. So this is just a quick look at Solus. This is a built from scratch Linux. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good day when it shuts down.